The opening ceremony of the 32nd Assembly of the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria, Coren, commenced today in Abuja, setting the stage for a pivotal discussion on the future of engineering in the country. In line with the theme, Regulating Engineering Profession for Shared Prosperity in Nigeria, the Assembly aims to address crucial role of engineering regulation in driving national development.
I wish to express my profound gratitude for the honor and privilege given to me to introduce this auspicious occasion of the 32nd Engineering Assembly. As you may be aware, the Engineering Assembly is an annual gathering of all engineering practitioners and stakeholders from all walks of life.
In his welcome address, the president of Coren, Engineer Sadiq Zubair Abubakar, reinforced the readiness of the council in its regulation of engineering activities in the nation.
Mr. Chairman, distinguished guests, permit me to inform the audience that Coren is ever ready to improve its performance in regulating engineering education, training of practitioners, and their practice in line with global ethics and standards, to ensure prevention of engineering infrastructure failures, to safeguard the lives and properties of the citizenry of this dear country.
In his address, the governor of Nasarawa State, Engineer Abdullahi Sule, challenged engineers to work towards impacting the society.
I think it's about time as engineers that we make the necessary impact. We have talked a lot and we have talked enough. We have gone through so many communities, we have gone through so many summits, and I think with the challenges Nigeria is facing, it's about time that at the end of this event we should at least be 1 or 2 areas and make necessary impact so Nigeria will know engineers have arrived.
The Minister of Housing, Architect Ahmed Musa Dangiwa, had this to say.
The ministry is poised to promote synergy, teamwork, and encourage sharing useful information to enable whistleblowing on all building collapse projects or distressed buildings so that the proactive steps can be taken to prevent the rampant avoidable menace.
In his keynote address, the chair, Dublin Accord and Governing Group at the IEA, Professor Megat Johari Noor, expounded the role of Coren as a regulatory body in bringing about shared prosperity in Nigeria.
There are several times when we look at the regulations. When society develops, when we talk about the vocation, let's say the engineering vocation actually grows, and more people get into the vocation, the society is being formed. And most of the time, the society will be looking at regulating itself, regulating members of the society. But when it comes to a lot of failures that happens, some countries decided to introduce laws, regulatory laws.
The Director General of NIBRI, Engineer Professor Samson Duna, in his keynote address emphasizes failure of responsibility as a major reason for building collapse in Nigeria.
Nigerians are blessed, competent engineers. We have 45 people. In the world, there are no areas that Nigerians are not there. But it simply means somebody somewhere is not doing his responsibility that is expected to do. Building can fail due to 2 factors. One, natural, the other one is human error. Earthquake, hurricane, and flood are something human beings may not have control over. When it happens, we say it's due to nature. But we are talking about a human error. Somebody somewhere failed to carry out his responsibility. Somebody somewhere failed to do the right thing.
Students and distinguished engineers were presented with cash gifts by the council. The 32nd Assembly marks a significant milestone in Nigeria's engineering sector, setting the stage for future innovations and regulatory improvements aimed at achieving comprehensive national development.
Basically, it's based on the years of work we've done in engineering, with engineers, and the development and change we've made in the engineering sector from the electrical point of view. Basically today, in everybody's life today, in Nigeria today, in every engineer's life, all man participates.